So let's talk about glue for a minute, or adhesive. I don't know if you really want to call this glue. I bought this drive slide to put my external hard drive on the back of my laptop. That way it's nice and handy and it's not hanging around, and it's just nice and clean, like so. I ran into an issue. You see, the issue was my hard drive has a special rubber outer coating to prevent stuff from sticking on it or help it from getting scratched up or damaged, because this is the Samsung T7 Shield, and it's designed to keep things off of it. Well, that became an issue when I was trying to attach this piece for my drive slide. I used the 3M adhesive tape that came with the drive slide, popped right off. So then I'm like, all right, well, I'll go get some Gorilla Glue. Put some Gorilla Glue on it and clamped it. That popped right off. Pulled out some 5-minute epoxy, put that on here. That didn't work either. Went and grabbed some CA glue or super glue and tried that as well. None of those options got this to stick because of the coating that's on this hard drive was doing its job. So I had to find something else. Then I ran across this Scotch-Weld by 3M. It is a plastic and rubber instant adhesive. It worked. This is not coming off without peeling that coating off of this hard drive. It has permanently bonded the drive slide piece to the coating on the hard drive. It has actually, I think, melted them together. So this is a really serious adhesive. Don't use it unless you want to make sure things are not coming apart, because I believe that this is not just an adhesive. This is like, well, it says weld. The bond on this is as good as if I would have welded 2 pieces of metal together, which is exactly what I wanted, because now it does not pop off the back of my laptop. This stuff is awesome. It will make the bond permanent on whatever you're trying to put together. I think if I was to try to pull that apart, I would either tear up the drive slide plastic or I would tear up the rubber on the hard drive. Not a concern to me because I don't plan on doing that. 3M Scotch-Weld is serious adhesive that works well for plastics and rubber.